The National Weather Service in Houston, Texas had issued a high wind warning for Houston, Texas, the Woodlands, Texas, Conroe, Texas, effective until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:47 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Doppler radar indicated a large wind cloud blowing winds at 201 miles per hour. If you are in Houston, the Woodlands, or Conroe, seek shelter immediately. Other counties surrounding the county is in a high wind watch. Please stay tuned to NOAA weather radio because of the cloud. There is a chance of a tornado watch or warning. Please stay tuned on the situation. The National Weather Service in Houston, Texas had issued a high wind warning for Houston, Texas.